In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HTML color codes in Canva. If you've been given an exact brand color or you found a specific hex code online and want your design to match it perfectly, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to paste that code and how to apply it without any guesswork. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on screen, click to select the element you want to recolor. This can be text, a shape, an icon, a line, or even a background that supports color changes. Selecting the element first is important because the color you choose will apply to whatever is highlighted in your design. With the element selected, look for the color control in the top toolbar. It will appear as a small color tile that shows the element's current color, often labeled something like text color, color, or background color, depending on what you selected. Click that color tile to open the color panel. On the left side of this panel, you'll see your document colors and default options, and you'll also notice a plus sign icon. That plus sign is the option to add a new color. Click it. A small color editor will open, showing a color spectrum, sliders, and a field for a color code. At the bottom of this editor, you'll find the color code field for the current color. Click inside that field to activate it. Now, paste or type your HTML color code, commonly called a hex code. A hex code is a 6-character combination of numbers and letters, often shown with a hash symbol, like number 173E8. You can paste it in, and Canva will immediately update the selected element to that exact shade. If the color doesn't change, double-check that the element is still selected and that you entered all 6 characters correctly. You can fine-tune from here if needed. The color square and slider let you adjust brightness or saturation, but if you want an exact match, stick with the code you pasted. The new color will also appear in your recent colors within the panel, so it's easy to reuse elsewhere in the same design without retyping the code. A quick tip: hex codes use only the characters 009 and AAF. If your code looks different, make sure it's a valid hex value. Also, not every graphic supports color changes. If the option isn't available, try a different element, or choose a version that allows color editing. And that's it. Open your project, select the element, click the color settings, hit the plus sign, click the code field, paste your hex code, and your design will match perfectly.